Hello everyone, let's continue with the rights of arrested person. To begin with, let's continue with the point 3. Information regarding the right to be released on bail. Any person who is to be arrested without a warrant and is not accused of a non-bailable offence has to be informed by the police officer that he is entitled to be released on bail on payment of the surety amount. Next one, right to be taken before a magistrate without delay. Irrespective of the fact that whether the arrest was made with or without warrant, the person who is making such arrest has to be bring the arrested person before a judicial officer without any unnecessary delay. The arrested person has to be confined in police station only and nowhere else. Before taking him to the magistrate, these matters have been provided in CRPC under section 56 and 76. Rights at trial. Firstly, right to a fair trial. The Constitution of India under Article 14 guarantees the right to equality before the law. The Code of Criminal Procedure also provides that for a trial to be fair, it must be an open court trial. This provision is designed to ensure that convictions are not obtained in secret. In some exceptional cases, the trial may be held in camera. Right to a speedy trial by the Constitution of India. This right has not been specifically mentioned in the Constitution. However, the Supreme Court in the Husainara Khatun case has made it mandatory that the investigation in that trial must be conducted as expeditiously as possible. Right to consult a legal practitioner. Every person who is arrested has a right to consult a legal practitioner of his own choice. This has been enshrined as a fundamental right in Article 22, Clause 1 of the Constitution of India, which cannot be denied in any case. Section 50, Clause 3 of Court also lays down that the person against whom proceedings are initiated has a right to be defended by a pleader of his choice. Right of free legal aid. The Supreme Court in case of in Khatri versus State of Bihar has held that the state is under a constitutional obligation to provide the free legal aid to an indigent accused person as an implicit under Article 21 of the Constitution. Right to be examined by a medical examiner. Section 54 of CRPC enumerates this right. It states that second examination of arrested person by medical practitioner at the request of arrested person. When a person who is arrested, whether on a charge or otherwise, alleges at the time when he is produced before a magistrate or any time during the period of his detention in custody that the examination of his body will afford evidence which will disprove the commission by him of any offence, which will establish the commission by any other person of any offence against his body. The magistrate shall, if requested by the arrested person to do, direct the examination of the body of such person by a registered medical practitioner unless the magistrate consider that the request is made for the purpose of vexation or delay or defeating the ends of justice. That's all, guys.